Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to opt in and out of the resume database on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer account. Yes, your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly learn how to opt in and out of the resume database on Ziprecruiter. So from the homepage of a Ziprecruiter account, this is not the homepage. All right, so head over to the left corner. You're going to find this post a job, dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, activate. So go ahead and click on resume database. And it's going to take you to the resume database window. So this is literally opting in. So here it says search millions of job seeker resumes. So you can search resumes and use powerful filters and start a free trial, no upfront commitment. So if you want to do that, say how many employees do you have? So try Ziprecruiter for free to access our resume database. Okay, so Ziprecruiter has actually logged me out of my employer accounts. That's because they just want me to subscribe, and I don't know why they actually logged me out of it. But once you're in the resume database and you click on that resume database option, it's going to take you to a window where you will now be able to search millions of seeker resumes, and there are a lot of features that you can find within the resume database. All right, so go ahead and explore all of the features, and once you want to opt out, just go out of the page to something else from your dashboard. So this is pretty much the process. Okay, so you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.